Today we'll see that how we can fill the form for the Sam Houston State University for the graduate program. So first click on create an account. Then enter the username, email address, and set the password. And then click on sign up. If you have already signed up with this, then you can enter the username and the password and click on sign in. Now click on start and edit applications. Click on start new application. Select the type, 4-year college. Select the target university, which is Sam Houston State University. Application type, international graduate. Select your semester, fall 2024. Then select your major. Forensic Science PhD. And then select choices and start application. Now click on this. Select your major. Which is Forensic Science PhD. Select the international graduate questions. If you wish to be considered for a teaching assistantship, so you can select. If if you are not offered a financial reward, do you plan to enroll? So yes. Then click on next. Now, are you currently residing in the US? No. If you will require change in your which type of visa is expected, so you can select F1 student. External source of financial support, so you can select accordingly. Then what is your marital status? Select accordingly. Would you like to designate someone besides yourself? No. And then click on next. Employment section is not required, so you can leave it and next. This academic references are also not required. Honors section is also not required. Summary of educational section is also not required. Then extracurricular section is also not required. Then community or volunteer service is also not required. Then you can directly click on done. And now click on questions specific to Sam Houston University. So select initial degree, doctorate, ultimate degree, doctorate, any specific area. Are you a former student at this college or university? No. Have you previously applied to this college? You can select accordingly. Have you ever been convicted of a felony? No. Are you seeking a certificate in conjunctions? So, no certificate. Do you plan to take undergraduate courses? No. Are you currently on probation or under suspension? No. How did you hear about the Sam Houston State University? So, you can select accordingly and then click on next. The graduate and professional schools offers qualified students networking, professional coaching and mentoring opportunities. Decade yes if you will like to receive. So you can click on yes and then done. Now you can see your both the things are completed, so you can click on submit application. You have to click on these check boxes. Do you consent to receive the text messages? Yes. Select the mode of payment, so you can select that. Then enter the details of your card, and then after entering the details you can submit, and then you will be done with your application.